Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Puliu Puthi uba lakmen rumbui ulong baka Sorkar kadang ap ya ka kaipot habaya de ba ka jingbom biang jong ki ying skul hagleng ka Jylla. Ulaya thu baka Katanat Puliu Puthi kalapan ya ka kaipot na ka district bakin yo ban lumnang haswa ban pentrekam. Ulaya thu baki don ki district ki bala pha ki kaipot habaya de ba ka long kaman jong ki ying skul. Ulaong ru baka Sorkar kalarai ban snai ki skul laga de ban Thmu ne ban shu Maramot yaki. Shu ulaong baka Sorkar ka doni ka Thmu ban bhai ya Kumba Tylli ki skul hagaleng ka Jylla.
Not only for that, the report we have sought for many of the schools in the district. As of now, we have got the report from many of the SDSEO, and it's been compiled, and this will put forward so that necessary action by the government will be done within this year.
So, how many of these schools are in dilapidated and want for renovation?
Some they have submitted a report. That's why the full list have not come. I don't have with me, but there are many. But it is the plan of the government that all the government schools should get they should get the fund, because some school they didn't need the new school building, they did only minor repair. This not all the in-depth report, the extensive report have been sought to prepare, because our aim is that about 1,000 plus school will be renovated so that in this particular year.
Any estimated costs, to be spent by the government for repairing and renovation of these such?
See, when we get the full report, then only we will see how much it is needed, and whether if we cannot do in one phase, then we will plan a document in 2-3 phases.
Earlier you had specifically raised two questions. That is, if those school buildings are in such condition, where will the students go, and then where are the teachers teaching those students? So what was the...
All those reports have been sought, and that's why I told you that not only for that, we have sought all over the state, because we don't want to do a piecemeal. We want to see that a comprehensive report, so that will enlighten us as the department where to intervene, how to intervene, so that the student will not lose their education.
So in this, whether the teachers they were teaching the students, and whether the students are going to school, because those rooftops and all are not there in the building.
I have said to you that the detail of all the detail, since we want the comprehensive and all the report, we have not. We will get the report, and soon we will be able to tell you how many schools repair, how many dilapidated condition in what district, how many. So this will be shared with you.